On May 14, 2025, troopers were notified that a White County deputy was in pursuit of a gold Pontiac Grand Am, wanted for driving left of center and careless driving near state highways 385 and 13. The suspect continued fleeing onto Interstate 57 southbound, where troopers joined the pursuit near the 45-mile marker.
White County's trying to box them in. I'm behind them. Seen it. What's going on? If you tell White County to back off, I'll get him.
Despite an initial attempt to box in the vehicle, the suspect continued at speeds reaching 110 miles per hour. Around the 44-mile marker, Trooper First Class Jess Burris assumed the primary position, with Sergeant Bryson Schultz taking secondary. At the 41-mile marker, a successful pit maneuver was executed, causing the vehicle to spin and crash into the cable barrier. The suspect was transported to the White County Detention Center via ambulance. All evidence, charges, and case handling will be managed by the White County Sheriff's Department. On September 27, 2022, while assisting a construction crew with traffic control on Georgia 204 near mile marker 6 in Chatham County, a trooper monitoring the Savannah Flock camera system received an alert for a stolen gold Mercedes C23. The vehicle was spotted entering the construction zone, traveling westbound directly behind a pilot car.
We're coming up on Tiger Lane. I have not lit them up yet.
Table.
coming up the leopard lane right now. 911, I see you. I'm about to light them up.
Hey, well, we'll light them up.
We're slow rolling it.
As the pilot car cleared the area with heavy foot traffic, the trooper attempted a traffic stop. However, the suspect vehicle passed the pilot car and accelerated, initiating a high-speed pursuit through the active construction zone. Stop sticks were deployed but failed to stop the vehicle, which reached speeds of 109 miles per hour in a 55 zone while weaving recklessly across 3 lanes.
Lock them in, 911.
The trooper performed a pit maneuver, causing the vehicle to spin. One passenger fled on foot, while the driver attempted to continue. 2 more pits finally disabled the vehicle. The driver and front passenger ran into the woods, but the trooper pursued and quickly apprehended the female driver after she refused to comply. On March 6, 2022, while patrolling in Fulton County, a trooper observed multiple vehicles driving recklessly in the Greenbrier Mall parking lot. As troopers arrived, several vehicles fled in various directions. One black BMW accelerated through the lot, prompting a pursuit.
Greenbrier, probably going 102,000. Still on Greenbrier, coming up to the bars and road. Greenbrier Bars Road, looks like he's been tipping into the tree. Got 2 units on the scene at the moment. Looks like one's at some point.
You need to come back. We're 1082 to the morning watch. Come back.
Some point.
You need to come back. We're 1082 to the morning watch. Come back.
The trooper followed the BMW through the south end of the lot and performed a pit maneuver, spinning the vehicle and causing it to strike a curb. The pursuit ended without further incident. The occupants were ordered out and taken into custody. The passenger was released on scene, while the driver was transported to the Atlanta City Jail. On May 30th, 2021, a trooper clocked a gray Saturn Vue traveling at 73 miles per hour in a 55 zone on Georgia 166. When the vehicle pulled into a gas station, the trooper approached, but the driver suddenly sped off through the parking lot, initiating a pursuit.
Clear, Old Airport, Shady Grove Road.
Turn left on Shady Grove, turn going towards South Hillside Road.
And we'll clear left on Shady Grove Road. That's on Shady Grove Road. They're on Shady Grove Road, number 8.
Right across here, Northside Drive. Next up now, boy.
The trooper performed a pit maneuver, sending the vehicle into a guardrail and disabling it. Both occupants complied with commands and were taken into custody.